In primetime news tonight, the celebrations continue in East Portland. What's next for Damian Crawford? And analysts break down the Portland by-election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Manufacturers are again calling for local investments. This time they're targeting the private sector, and Barita Investments raises billions in new share issue. I'll have the details in the financial week.
And from Herman to Jordan Fort with the latest in sports.
Yes, Archie. Now, we've heard of some of the coaches saying that some of their top juniors will be pulling out of the Carifta trials. Well, at least one of the record breakers from Champs was in action on today's opening day. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the JLP's victory in East Portland?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.